Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna do a quick arrangement for a first birthday and I hope that you like it. This is something very special. It's for one of my mom's babies that she takes care of. So I hope that you like it. Here's what it's looking like, what we'll do as far as the whole thing. We're using Cricut, we're using little things from everything. Most everything is from the Dollar Tree. That's a huge thing. So you're saving a lot on the arrangement, but isn't this cute? Super cute idea. And we use what we had to make it look as cute as it is. And I hope that you like it, and I hope that you can get good ideas from this video. And you can see my mom. She is right there. Thank you, Mom. All right, let's get started. Let's go. For the base of this arrangement, I'm using this cylindrical base made out of cardboard. This came in something that was for a completely different thing, which was a lamp. But I'm using it. My mom is going to wrap it in the wrapping paper, and she's doing a base there because it doesn't have a bottom. And this is how it's looking like. She does perfect work when she does the wrapping, so she was the perfect person for this important part of the process. The next thing that we did is that we blew up the balloon that we were going to use for this arrangement, and this came in a kit, which was very convenient because I've been using it for several projects. And then I used my Cricut to cut all of the writing, the birthday and the name for the arrangement. As you can see there, I started putting everything on it. Usually you would use a transfer paper to put it on the balloon, but I was not confident in doing that. I thought I was gonna blow up the balloon, so I just did it one by one, which wasn't too painful. I was able to do it rather quickly, but yes, you can also use a transfer paper for that. I also had some stars that I made, so I started putting them all around to finish up the decorations for the balloon. And there were some little pieces that looked like confetti that were just cutouts, and that finished the look. For the base of the balloons, I didn't have what you usually have, which is a very special piece there at the bottom of the balloon that connects to the stick, to the plastic stick. So I had to make my own. I used the top of a water bottle, and then in order to prevent the sharp edges from touching the balloon and making it pop, I used some washi tape. I wrapped it around all of the sharp edge there halfway, and then folded it so that it could be nice and smooth and that it didn't have any sharp edges. Then I went in with one of those welder things, and I opened a hole at the bottom, as you can see right there. You can also use the glue gun. You'll see that later in the video, but I used that to open the hole, and then I went in with the glue gun and added glue to that part of the base, and then also underneath, so that it could stay there and be stable. Another thing that I added was the glue dots that you see at the rim of the base, and those were also in the kit that I got from Amazon. I'll link it down below, but those helped me so much to hold the balloon in place. Then I went in with some ribbon and started with the glue dots as well. Those are the glue dots that I was telling you. They hold things really, really good, guys. So with the rest of the decorations, I started doing more of the ribbon all around. I also wrapped the little bunny so that it could be held in place. And then I started adding some little balloons. They're about maybe 2-inch balloons. That way I could start decorating the base of the balloon, and also some of that paper that is very light. I don't remember the name. I'll put it in the captions here, but you just kind of like shake it and then it makes it be nice and in a cone. And then I put it all around the base, as you can see there. And I alternated the colors white and blue because that's what our theme was for a baby boy. And then I also added the balloons. So I worked a little bit more on decorating this balloon arrangement, and I fussed with all the little details, adding more tissue paper, adding all of the tiny balloons all around. If you're wondering what I used to attach the balloons and the tissue paper, it was a combination of tape, just clear tape, and then for some of the balloons, you'll see me putting them just attaching them to the other balloon, but I used the glue dots that I mentioned before. And it does take a little while to make everything look good, so you do have to step back a little bit, see how everything is looking, and then go back, maybe change some things. But I'll let you see how I did it all and how it ended up looking. Another important detail is that you're gonna need that base to have some weight. So my mom had to go outside and get some rocks. That way we could put them inside. We covered them in aluminum and we put them inside of the base. As you can see, it was top heavy, so we needed that weight there. We also told the mom that the rocks were in there because, as we found out, kids love to play with the balloons, and the arrangement doesn't really last very long on the top of a table or anything like that. Kids go right into it and start dissecting it. So it's an arrangement for kids, remember. It's gonna be torn apart, but it's gonna have to look really cute before when we present it, so it's all worth it. I wanted to show you this other really cute arrangement. This is for a little girl. She's gonna be 3, but you can really just use it for any age. Any age from 1 to, I don't know, 10 or 12. Well, maybe 10, you know, it's really cute. And I just put here a little bunny from the dollar store. I made the box with wood so that it's hefty, and then I just wrapped everything in the wrapping paper. Put a little Dollar Tree cute bunny here, some small balloons, also from the Dollar Tree. And then I did get this from Amazon, but because I don't have, you know, those little cups that are here for the top, what I did is that I used egg cartons that are plastic, or you can use a water bottle too, and just cut off the top. And then I got this cut out. I don't think we can, yeah, there you go. This is the top, and this is part of the egg carton. And then with my hot glue gun, what I did is that I opened a little bit of a hole here, and then I just put glue gun here, glue gun on the top. So here's the hot glue that I put right here, and you can see that the little stick, plastic stick, I did get it from an arrangement that I had. And so I just kind of like made it sit in here, and then put the glue so that it could stay, and then some washi tape around it so that it doesn't poke the balloon and pops it. And that's what I'm gonna be putting on now, the big balloon. Here it is, guys, the balloon ready with all the lettering. It turned out really cute and very, you know, bam, happy birthday, Ima. And now I'm just gonna put it over here in this base. And as you can see, this is sturdy and it doesn't move. It's not gonna go boop, like that, or one side or the other. And we have our base with the very stable wood box over here. And I left a little area over here in the cup where I'll be able to get this part of the balloon in, hopefully. Set it here, and maybe I'll pop some of those stickers that are kind of like glue for balloons. Let me see if I can find them, and that way you can just sit here. And this, because it can move, this is the front. So I'll get the glue so that we can put it here and then tape it so that it's firm. And this right here is for the other balloon that I want to pop as well. I think I want to pop it or thread it somehow here, but it's part of the whole thing. So let me just fiddle with this, and I'll come back and show you the final result. So there you go, guys. That is a wrap for this other arrangement. I think it came out really cute, and it just very sweet with the bunny there and the balloons and the writing. And I think it's a cool detail. Really nice to be able to give this to somebody that's special, a little someone that turned 3. And there you go, guys. Enjoy. Hope this gives you ideas, and let me know in the comments what you think and if you would be doing something like this for your little ones. Hope it gives you ideas. Take care. Bye.